everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Testerup app how to cash out. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are asking if you want to cash out from the Testerup app, then what you need to understand is the minimal requirements. You must reach a minimum balance of $70 to request a payout. The maximum you can withdraw per transaction is $250. So if you have more, you need to multiple payouts. So in order to cash out, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Testerup app, and then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to the payment or payout tab within your dashboard. Then if this is your first time withdrawing, you'll be prompted to complete face or selfie verification to prove you are a real human. Enter and link your PayPal email address. Only PayPal is supported. Apple Pay, Venmo, Cash App are not supported. Once both requirements are satisfied, submit your in-app payout request. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.